Most people think life insurance is expensive, but the truth is very different. Today, you'll learn how affordable it can actually be, and by the end, you'll know exactly which options fit your budget. Before we dive in, let me ask you something important. If your family had to replace your income tomorrow, how long could they stay financially stable? That question alone shows why affordable coverage matters. Many Americans delay life insurance because they fear high premiums. But prices are often lower than what people imagine, and with the right type, anyone can get coverage that fits their wallet. In this video, I'll walk you through the most budget-friendly options in the USA. You'll understand how they work and who they're best for, and you'll be able to compare them with confidence. Let's start with the most popular and affordable type. Term life insurance. Term gives you simple protection for a set number of years, and it almost always offers the lowest monthly cost. Many young adults choose term life because the rates are extremely low. A healthy person in their 20s or 30s can often get a policy for the price of a few coffees per month, and those savings continue for the entire term. Another major benefit of term life is flexibility. You get to choose 10, 20, or 30 years based on your needs. And once it's set, your premium stays predictable. For families with kids or a mortgage, term life is usually the perfect start. It covers income replacement, childcare, and major debts. And it does so at a price most families can afford. Now, let's talk about simplified issue policies. These policies require no medical exam, and they are designed for people who want quick, easy, and reasonably priced coverage. Simplified issue life insurance uses a short questionnaire. The approval process is fast and simple, and this option is often ideal for people who want peace of mind without paperwork. While the premiums are slightly higher than traditional term life, they remain affordable for many households. You're paying for convenience and speed. And for some families, that is worth every penny. There's also guaranteed issue life insurance. This option requires no health questions at all, and it's open to nearly everyone, regardless of medical history. Guaranteed issue is commonly used for funeral expense coverage. It helps with funeral costs, small debts, and emergency needs. And it provides a safety net for people who struggle to qualify elsewhere. Premiums for guaranteed issue are higher than other types. But because the coverage amounts are smaller, many people still find them manageable. And the peace of mind is immediate. For people looking for lifetime protection, whole life insurance is another option. It locks in coverage that never expires, and the premiums stay the same forever. Whole life insurance also builds cash value over time. This value grows slowly but steadily, and many people use it for emergency funds or long-term planning. Although whole life insurance is more expensive, some companies offer small, budget-friendly policies. These options fit people who want permanent coverage without large payments, and they can be surprisingly accessible. Another increasingly popular option is group life insurance through employers. These plans are often extremely low, and many workers receive some coverage automatically. Employer plans make coverage simple because there's no medical exam for basic benefits. You just sign up during enrollment, and the deductions come straight from payroll. But employer life insurance has limitations. The coverage amount is usually small, and it may not follow you if you leave your job. That's why many Americans combine employer coverage with an individual policy. This approach gives them affordable protection from two sources, and it keeps them covered even during job changes. Budget-friendly life insurance often comes from comparing multiple companies. Different insurers offer different rates, and the savings can be significant. Getting quotes takes only a few minutes online. You can compare prices, terms, and benefits, and this helps you find the best deal without guessing. Another way to keep premiums low is applying when you're younger. Age has a major impact on cost, and starting early locks in much better rates. Improving your health can also make insurance more affordable. Small changes like quitting smoking or lowering blood pressure can reduce premiums, and those savings add up over time. Don't forget that coverage amount affects affordability. You don't need a huge policy to protect your family, and even a modest plan can make a massive difference. Many insurers offer customizable plans. You can adjust the length, coverage size, or riders, and that flexibility helps you stay within your budget. Affordable life insurance is not about choosing the cheapest option. It's about choosing the option that gives your family the right protection at a price you can maintain. And that balance is easier to achieve than most people think. By exploring all these options, you can find a plan that fits your income, lifestyle, and long-term goals. You don't have to overspend, and you don't have to wait. Life insurance doesn't have to be complicated or costly. With the right information, you can make a smart and affordable decision, and your family will have the security they deserve.